What's up? Sorry, this mask is so creepy. I have to make faces. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here again, and welcome if you are new. Many thanks if you decide to join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below, and if you do, please don't forget to click the bell as well so you don't miss any of my new videos, which come out every day in October, but then it's gonna be only every Friday. What else? I don't know what else to say. This creepy makeup is part of my 31 days of Halloween challenge, so if you haven't seen my previous videos, make sure you check them out. There's a ton of them because it's almost Halloween, but there's still gonna be another video tomorrow and the day after until Halloween, so make sure you come back. And that's it. If you want to know how to do this creepy, cool, kind of easy, it's not very hard. It's only 2 colors, a little bit of shading and highlighting, but it's really one of the easiest ones. So anyway, if you want to know how I did this, keep watching and see you at the end of the tutorial. I am done with this fun, creepy, weird, disturbing scream mask. I don't know why I didn't do it sooner. It is such a popular disguise mask for Halloween. So I'm happy I did it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I will say goodbye for now, return to my normal self, and I will see you tomorrow with another Halloween makeup. Thanks for watching. Bye.